Are you ready?
Hey, it's Cornfu. Do you dream in black and white or in color? This was a conversation that my wife and I were having. I don't know why, but it came up. So we're talking about that, and she's like, I dream in color. I'm like, I think I dream in color too. So that was the discussion. And then compound that with the fact that I was watching probably one too many episodes of Dr. Pimple Popper, which is super gross, but you almost can't not watch it. And then the third element, taking a melatonin. So apparently it helps you sleep really well. I already sleep really well, so I kind of don't need melatonin, but curiosity, hey, I wonder what this will do. Probably not a good way to live your life, but whatever. So pop a pill, go to sleep, have the craziest dream. And it was so crazy, I actually remember it. And it was bright, crazy, vivid colors. Now, technically, if I was to do this video correctly, I would say, hey, watch till the end of the video to find out if I dream in color or black and white. As soon as I start, you're going to see me painting in color, so you get the idea. But the subject matter, crazy. So let's jump in and do this. Afterwards, I'll talk to you about what I was dreaming about and how creepy it was. So let's go do this. So thank you for watching if you stuck around that long. The dream is I look down at my stomach. Well, let's call this a nightmare. And I see these things squirming underneath the skin. And so I start to pull at one of them and it pops out of my skin and it's this purple gelatinous, creepy, bubbly thing. And it's got like giant eyes, teeth. Obviously you saw the artwork there, but I try to stay as close to the dream as possible. But you know how dreams are like, you see something, but it's not super clear. But anyway, this is as clear as I could get with my dream. But yeah, no more melatonin pills, no more Dr. Pimple Popper. Yeah, I'm killing that stuff. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Draw your dreams out. It's it's entertaining. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you liked it, give me a like. Feel free to leave some comments below, and I will see you next week.